components.
Teacher, compound name
Components of the circle. Components of the circle. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Now we are moving to the circle. You know how to draw the circle now, right? So first what to do? You want to draw the circle by placing the needle on one point. I use here, and I want to draw by taking any length to the compass, right? Listen first. This is the circle. Now listen. Be careful, right? So first one, we can draw a line between the point we already keep and the circle. The line I can mark using broken line. I can draw lot of such lines, right? That line is defined as radius. Radius. Okay? And the point we kept earlier, we call center. 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 Right? So radius means the line drawn to the point and the circle. Center is the point that we call the middle point of the circle. There are other lines, right? Those lines we can draw like this. Look at here. Okay. Take the ruler, place on the circle like this. Going through the center, you can paste like this, like here. I use another color, but you want to draw using pencil, right? I use in black color dark line. You can use broken line also. This line is called as diameter. Diameter. You can see there are a lot of lines we can draw. The diameters are called as symmetrical axes of the circle. Symmetrical axis. Normally, the center is represented using capital O. Right? Then lines we can represent using two letters. So O I already wrote. Here A. There I use C. Here is B. I can draw another several lines like this, but I don't use those. Only two things I already drawn. So, what is OA? OA length. What is OC length? What is OB length? All these are called as radius. Why? Why radius? The plural word is radius. Why? OA is a line. OC is the part of OB, but OC also line. OB also line. These are radii. Why? The line connected with O, center O and the circle. But BC is defined as diameter. BC is a diameter. Why is a diameter? That line connected with two points on the circle going through the origin, going to the center, that we call diameter. Right? Then you can see diameter is found by adding 2 radii OC plus OB. According to your knowledge, you know each and every radii equal in each other. Then BC we can use as OC plus OC or OB plus OB. Same. If I write OC plus OC, if I write OB plus OB, same thing. Because OB and OC equal. Then BC defined as twice OC. Twice OC. Capital letters, remember that. Normally, diameter represent using simple D. D is a length, the length of the diameter. Radius represent using simple R. Then I can define D equal simple D equal twice R. What do you mean by twice R? That means twice of radii. As example, this is very important thing, right? Very much important. This one, twice R, right? So that means if we already know the radii, as example, R is given as 4 centimeter. Then diameter D equal 10 centimeter. Twice. If you have drawn another diameter on same figure, the same thing happening because every and each diameter equal in length in a specific circle. Every and each radii equal in each other. That means twice of radii equal the length of diameter. Diameter divided by 2, half of the diameter, the length of diameter equal to radii. So easy. You already know how to draw the circle, right? You want to take the length to the compass and you can paste on the needle on the middle of the book. Then you can rotate compass around that point. That's the circle. But here we have two components, radius and diameter. So what do you mean by the radius? Radius means the length between the center and the circle. Diameter means the length, that means the line drawn 2 points on the circle going through the center. That should be going through the center. After that, twice radii equal a diameter. There are infinite number of diameters we can draw. The infinite number of radius we can draw in a circle. The same theory we can apply all those diameters and circles.